says he's going to stop in here, whether he does or not.
Yeah, I don't have his number.
I'll give it to you.
Okay, still looking for car number 48, car or 88, car number 45, car number 71. You have door prizes. Come on up and claim them. 50-50 is up to...
Hi, how are you?
What he wanted.
Okay, we don't know that one yet, but we're getting ready to stop the Chinese auction. So if you want any of those tickets, you better get up here quick, because I think they're going to stop taking that very shortly.
What do you think of that? Yeah, just on it.
I don't know which one actually.
I don't know which one.
Have a good day.
Good luck.
Hey Jimmy.
How you doing, man?
All right, how you been?
Everything's good.
Cool. Why should it be? How you doing?
Yeah.
Once again, we have a blue Chevy Silverado pickup truck blocking someone in. License plate number 39W519. You need to have your truck moved, please. Thank you.
What's he know about cars?
When I call your name, just come on up. See Rusty and Dennis and Tim. They'll give you your trophy. Randy Croft with a 62 Nova. Car number 35. This is in no particular order. Nova.
Rusty, have him look over this way. Anthony. You okay?
Car number 30, Paul Roberts, 63 Nova. Car number 1, Fran Bailey, 67 Nova. Car number 4, Daniel Washington, 69 Nova.
Hit a whole margaritas.
We'll just keep spinning it around, then we'll beat you down and take the trophy from you. '39, Rob and Lynn Cantwell, 65 Nova. Car number 70, Norm Meads, 69 Nova. Car number 55, Chris from Perry Hall. We can't pronounce your last name, so I'm not even going to try. 69, Chris Moeller. Car number 68, John Brady with a 72 Nova. Car number 8, Tim Williams with a 70. And even though he does have a Chesapeake Bay Nova shirt on, this is a participant choice and you all picked, so thank you very much. Car number 38, Denny Bland, 65 Nova.